This is for you from my first salary.
Oh, thanks.
Mom,
Oh,
this is for you, Appu.
Thank you.
hi. Oh, superb. Nice.
Manju, you have opened my eyes. I'm an old man. Even my thoughts are old. You're the one who opened my eyes. Truth be told to you, we men are really narrow-minded. After getting married to a girl, we only see if she's eating or sleeping. On top of that, we hardly care about what she's feeling in her heart. Till the age of 18, you were at a place. You were pampered by your parents and you were truly looked after. All of a sudden, you need to leave it and enter a new house. Her parents would be constantly thinking about her and truly missed her a lot. In the same way, your parents are old and you would be perpetually thinking about them. On top of that, you are looking after my parents with love and affection.
Usually, everyone does the same.
Hey, that is not right, isn't it? We have to switch our positions. What do you say?
Huh?
We'll go to your place today itself. We'll stay at your place for 15 days in a month. You can stay with your parents and make them very happy. That is a very good opportunity for you. You can easily go to office because it is very nearby.
But it's going to be far for you.
Hey, it is not a big issue. I will somehow manage it. I do have some leaves left with me.
Then what about our son?
Let him be here only. I'll bring him in the weekends, no worries. In fact, you also have a vehicle. So let us not waste the time. Get ready, get ready.
Okay. Bye.
Huh?
Hey, what is this?
Stop this.
Huh?
Don't you think it is too much?
There's nothing wrong in it. Tell me if there's anything left. Listen, I'm not a stranger here. I married your daughter in front of this whole town and I'm your son-in-law.
It's enough, man. Why are you doing all these dramas? It's torturing to see you like this.
Geeta's life is also spoiled. You are the only hope for us. But if you people are behaving like this, listen, what's wrong with you people?
There's nothing wrong with me. It's your daughter. She does not like me. Not just me, even my family. Since we moved to that colony, she changed a lot. Even you saw that, right? The way she dresses and her style. It is not like earlier. The affection she had on me is now disappeared. She's not the same old Manju now. After getting acquainted with feminists over there. But now, she's not ready to accept me as her husband.
Manju, stop there. Tell me what is your problem.
Problem? What problem?
Listen, don't do such dramas in front of us. Since you have moved to that colony, you have completely changed. After mingling with such dirty females, you don't need a family and husband too, isn't it?
Dad, I am.
Enough. Govind and Kuti told us everything.
Oh, this is your problem. You don't trust your own daughter. You're trusting an outsider.
All our neighbors are anticipating that when you people are getting divorced.
There have to be a limit for pampering daughters. Sometimes they'll misuse our love and affection and do wrong things.
Listen, after marriage, you should stay in your husband's house.
Mom,
Stop. When are you going back? Enough of staying here. Where are you going? Keep your dirty foot out of the gate. Leave.
old man, get out of my way. I did not come here to talk to you. I want to talk to Manju. Got it?
Enough of seeing her, you got it? Manju was such a self-disciplined and obedient girl. You completely corrupted her mind. You spoiled such a nice family. Hereafter, I don't want to see you in this house.
Hey, old man, be very careful while talking to me. Do you even know who I am? I'm local SI's wife.
Are you his wife or else is he your wife?
Look, don't make me remove my slippers now.
Why you only want to remove your slippers? You can remove everything
Hey,
whatever
what
you
is
want. Your entire family is like that. In the name of woman equality, all you females come early in the morning with all the makeups to spoil our families. I think you have not seen genuine men. If I slap you,
What, man? How dare you say that?
if I slap you, my hand will get dirty. Don't you remember that day my son had chased you away from here? Once again, without any
Please
shame, you have
stop
come
this.
here. Get out from here. It will be good if you show all these dramas in front of your husband. Better you take shower with Pierre soap after going to home and remove all the dirt from your stinking body.
Madam? Madam? Madam?
By the way, Keshav Master, why would you mention about the dog and mislead me completely? The dog is very friendly.
That is right.
When I was coming here, it was only looking at me, that's it.
That is why this guy is very clever than that guy. If this goes inside, then he will sleep off 8 hours without any conscience. Yes. Thanks to Braverage Corporation, if liquor prohibition is implemented, then I will be for no use.
Let it be. Why have you kept this here?
To feed the dog at the proper time. It should not be delayed even for 5 minutes. Then we cannot control it.
No, boss. Will your wife come here anytime?
Her mother is not feeling well. She'll be coming tomorrow morning.
Oh, is it? Then we can have fun and enjoy a lot.
Sure we will.
That Thambi Xavier should have been here.
Yesterday also I saw 2 police people visited your house. What is the matter?
Women's commission. Now I'm used to it.
Listen to me, sir. If you keep listening to this stupid lawyer, then your life will only get spoiled. For time being, it's better you compromise with her. Somehow you try to convince her and make her stand next to you. First, let her withdraw the complaint. Later on, we'll do something.
Oh, now it has become like that, right? Then you can do whatever you want. I'll leave.
Hey, don't be upset. Sit down.
Now it is the right time for feeding. I'll go.
Yes, boss. Can I drink a bit? I don't have a baby to feed the milk. I didn't give that to Yashoda also. Let me do that to a dog at least. Yes.
Careful.
Hey, don't
Yeah,
break any
I'll
glass.
watch it.
Otherwise, she's going to kill me.
Hey, Deepak, come here. Come drink the milk.
The girl frequently changes her attitude. If she commits a mistake in front of a customer, I get very angry. I can't control it.
Hey, don't do such things in bank.
But then?
You call her and meet her in her house. It's better you step in and take the initiative. Be practical. I think it's woke up. Oh God, what happened?
Master, instead of feeding the dog, he's drinking it. Look at his drinking style.
Oh God, how will I go out today?
Look at the way he's drinking.